Welcome to NM's Arena. In this video, we are going to discuss median. Median is a measure of central tendency, or it is that item which occupies the central position when the items are arranged either in ascending order or in descending order of their magnitude. Let us see how the median is calculated in three different types of series. First of all, the individual series. Here, the formula used is median is equal to size of n plus 1 by 2th item. Median is equal to size of n plus 1 by 2th item. Now let us take an example to illustrate the calculation of median in individual series. A few values are given and this has to be written in ascending order first. See, the values are arranged in ascending order from the smallest to the largest. Now we have to find out which is the middlemost value by applying the formula. Say size of n plus 1 by 2th item. For this purpose, we have to assess what is n. For this, we have to count how many items are there in the series. If 4, that is the first item, and then the second one, that is 11, then third, like that. We have to count how many items are there in the series and apply in the formula. Size of 11 plus 1 by 2th item. 11 items are there in the series, so size of 11 plus 1 by 2th item. That is the 6th item. So which is the 6th one? First one is 4, second is 11, third 12, fourth 19, fifth 20, and the 6th item is 26. So we can understand that 26 is the median of the series. Now let us see how the calculation of median if the n is even. In the previous case, median was calculated as the middlemost number. But if the n is even, then there will be two numbers in the middle of the series. And from these two numbers, how can we assess or how can we find out which is the median? In this case, we have to take the average of these two items. The average of the two items in the middle is the median in such a case. Now let us see how median is calculated in a discrete series. Here, the formula is same. Median is equal to size of n plus 1 by 2th item. And n as all the discrete series, n is equal to sigma f. The total of frequency is the n which is used in the formula. And another difference here is that other than individual series, in the case of discrete series and continuous series, we may have to calculate the cumulative frequencies. Now let us see how the calculation is done. The x values are given and the frequencies are also given. The total of the frequency, that is sigma f or n, is 39. And a new thing is being calculated here, that is the cumulative frequency. How the cumulative frequency is calculated? The first cumulative frequency is 3. Because the frequency is 3, that is written as such as cumulative frequency. The second cumulative frequency is 3 plus 2. Sorry, 3 plus 12. That is 15. And the next one is 15 plus 8. That is 23. Then 23 plus the next frequency 7. That is 30. Then this cumulative frequency plus the next frequency 5. That is 35. Like that the cumulative frequency is calculated. And then the formula is applied. Median is equal to size of n plus 1 by 2th item. Now the values are applied in the formula. 39 is the n. So size of 39 plus 1 by 2th item. And so median is the size of 20th item. The 20th item we have to find in the cumulative frequency. The cumulative frequency that holds 20, the 20 number. So say the 3 does not hold 20. 15, it also does not hold 20. 23, yes, 20 can come inside this 23. So this is the cumulative frequency corresponding to the median. Now we have to see the x value corresponding to that value, that is 10. The cumulative frequency 23 corresponding to that x value is 10. So the median of the series corresponding to this is 10. That is how median is calculated in discrete series. Now we have to see how the median is calculated in continuous series. First of all, we have to find the median class corresponding to the cumulative frequency, which includes n by 2. So the formula size of n by 2th item has to be applied first. In the other cases, in the individual series and the discrete series, we were applying the formula size of n plus 1 by 2th item. But here, to find the median class, instead of n plus 1 by 2th item, we are only finding n by 2th item, size of n by 2th item. And after that, we have to apply the interpolation formula. L1 plus n by 2 minus Cf by f into C. That is the interpolation formula which has to be applied for finding out the median. And L1 here means it is the lower limit of the median class. And the Cf is the cumulative frequency of the class just preceding the median class. The cumulative frequency of the class just before the median class identified. And after that, the C in the formula is the interval of the median class. And then as usual, F is the frequency of the median class. Now let us see how this calculation is done using the formula. A class is given, the class interval as 0 to 10, 10 to 20, that class is given, and the frequency and the total of frequency is also given. The cumulative frequency is also calculated. And the first formula is applied to find the median class. Size of n by 2th item. Here you should note that unlike the individual series and discrete series that uses n plus 1 by 2th item, in the case of continuous series, to find the median class, we are using size of n by 2th item. N plus 1 is not used here. Here it is n by 2th item. And applying the values, size of 90 by 2th item. So the median class is size of 45th item. Now, where does this 45th item come? The cumulative frequency that includes 45 is, say, the 40 up to 40, it does not include 45. And then the first item that includes 45 is 63. So the class corresponding to 63 is 30 to 40. That is the median class. So median class is identified 30 to 40. Now to find the median, we have to apply the interpolation formula. The interpolation formula L1 plus n by 2 minus Cf by f into C, that is applied. L1 is the lower limit of the median class, that is 30. The 30 to 40 lower limit, that is 30, is applied here. Then plus n by 2. N by 2 is 45. That is already calculated. Minus Cf. Cf is, that is Cf preceding the median class or the cumulative frequency just before the median class. The median class here is 30 to 40 and the cumulative frequency of the median class is 63, and we can see that the cumulative frequency before that of the median class is 40, and so that is applied in the formula. Now divided by n, divided by frequency of the median class, that is 23. Frequency of the median class is 23. So 23 is given, and into C. Into C means that is the class interval of the median class. See, the median class is 30 to 40. So 40 minus 30, that is 10 units of class interval. So into 10. Now let us calculate. Median is equal to 30 plus 2.7, which is 32.17. That is the median of the class given here. This is how we calculate median in the case of a continuous series. Now the purpose of this video is to illustrate the calculation of median in the case of individual series, discrete series as well as the continuous series, which is done already. And so this is the end of the video. For more videos, you may subscribe the channel. Thank you.